It's not focusing. Okay, so this is adjustable, and that's your power. This is your data, and that should match up with your hard drive like that. That's your power, your data. This is the bit that's not important. So this on mine is about a screwdriver's width away from the edge. So I just adjust this with a screwdriver about 0.5 centimetre. Should be right. And then you just line up, start on the left hand side, I guess. Sorry, on the right hand side. And then just press it in. And that is completely in now. It is stiff getting it out.